Yo, what is up mga Borgie for today's video? We have some friends na nag-request sila that di sila marunong magluto. So, they ask na if I can make a video na like a tutorial sa pagluto. So, um, I think it's like more than 10 years ko nag-start og luto, no? But I'm still like a newbies or kabalo lang. Kabalo lang muluto gamay, no? But first things first, di ay, no? Kaniyang pinaka-importante, no? If you want to start to cook, make sure you will have your knife, no? Importante kaning knife. So, syempre, hiwa ni mo na and luwag, oh. Dapat na kay luwag. Kaya syempre, tagluto ni mo, pang steer ni mo, right? And then make sure na kay kaldero. Kaldero. There, so, syempre, lutuan ni mo og rice or everything wala kay rice cooker. So, this one, sabaw, no? Importante kaning kaldero. And, syempre, kalaha or pan. So, kanina, kung magkuan ka, prito, like eggs or everything fried, so kanina nindot ning kalaha. And also, don't forget your tadtaran or chopping board. Diba? So, syempre, maghiwa ka, tanan. Importante kayo ni. So, kana siya, no? Muna siya basic for cooking. So, next, episode 2 ta next time, no? And so, muna siyang, muna yung mga basic kinahanglan, no? Before ka magluto, dapat you have all of it. You have all of this basic for cooking. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and comment and share on our social media accounts. Peace. See you for the next episode 2. See you for the next episode 2. See you sa next episode nato, no? Sa episode 2. 2. 2. And na line tutorial.